Okay, welcome back everyone to the channel. Let's start with what we're looking at this week and what we've been doing behind the scenes. So, right at market open, like 7, 8 hours ago, I was watching gold and silver both blow up right on, just gap up and go. We closed above these two highs, and this is where I became interested to start taking longs. So I've started to add to my longs here and currently doing pretty well, but still will look for maybe lower highs to kind of see if that momentum continues. I'm still cautious about this because even though the daily chart looks pretty good, I don't like the weekly. That was a really big and strong rejection from those highs, and we closed at those lows too. A weekly bearish engulfing candle is usually pretty red flag, but I'm going with the benefit of the doubt just because of the momentum gold and silver have had. I still do expect that to continue, and following the last push, I was very heavily trading this. There were a few events that we had that were like this, where it seemed like it's over, and then it just came right back up again. So I'm going for it. I'm still planning to be aggressive with metals until I totally get a sign that it's done. As of now, so we're going long gold. We'll see how we do, and we're targeting all-time highs once again. Bitcoin looking pretty good. Nice weekly close. We kind of got finally a closure above all the bodies the last 4 or 5 weeks. And we're getting a little bit of expansion from there. I'm still cautious about this range until we're out of it. I'm still not interested in taking trades long, but for now, I like that we're finally starting to break up towards it, and hopefully we get a nice break, some retest, and we can get some lower highs all the way back up to at least to 100, 110K. This range right here, this $110,000 range, but for now, we are still waiting and watching what's happening with Bitcoin, but starting to look much better than before. Ethereum, same thing. I kind of consider Ethereum like the silver of gold. It's just when things do start moving, Ethereum will give you much bigger pushes. So there is that benefit to trading it. But as of right now, still I'm basing all my trades though off of Bitcoin, not off of Ethereum. So we're front running gold a little bit, getting a bit more momentum here than we had in gold, which it normally does. The pullback here didn't engulf the whole candle, but it did make a pretty. That's still a pretty strong bearish candle, so I'm still cautious, but also liking the price action here. I'm a little. So gold was only up about 1% earlier, and silver was up 4. Gold went up another percent. Silver hasn't caught up or rounding higher. Usually it'll do much more than what gold does. So maybe it expands pretty soon here, but same setup as gold, watching for expansion, waiting for all-time highs here as well. US 30, this was a decent signal, but this candle was so large that I'm not interested in taking along because the risk to reward for me for the way I kind of trade and set my levels just wouldn't be worth it. So I'm not interested in taking that, but I am expecting indices to start making a push higher to make a higher high and eventually an all-time high. US 500 is getting close to that 7,000, and it could very well come in the near future. US 100 as well, same setup, basically. A little bit different price action here. US 500 definitely looks the strongest, but we will wait and see on that. Tesla, glad we closed this one early. We closed it way up in 465-ish range. It's all at 438. I honestly did not expect it to pull back this heavy. I thought we would get that breakout for sure this time in a new all-time high expansion, but looks like it's another one of those traps for now. So I don't know if I'll be interested in this name unless maybe we're all the way back up to that all-time high, because I don't know what to expect from this area here. Nothing, not just watching and waiting here now, not looking to take any trades. Apple just cruising around all-time high, no problem. Yeah, those are the main watches. Um, Gold doing well for now. We'll see how it ends. But that's all for today, and good luck on your trading.